Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I just am going to revert my hair from straight to curly. So let's see if I caused some damage. So you just need some milk, eggs, cornstarch, honey, grapeseed oil, and some of my DIY hair growth oil, which can be purchased at www.creolastyle.com. Make sure you get you some of that. So I had to take it off the stove because I don't want to cook the eggs, and I don't want cooked eggs in my hair when I go wash it. Just to make sure that I don't have any clumps in my mixture, I just go through this one last step, and then I just go ahead and put it in my hair. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you found it helpful in any shape, way, or form, check out my other videos. And don't be stingy with the information. Spill the tea, give it to your friends. So here I have a thick mask. She was thick. Let's just take a moment to admire the length, the strength, okay, the volume. I've been working on it, so I think the hair products that I've been using have been working. And along with my hair oil, if you haven't gotten that, make sure you get that, because I definitely think that it's contributed to the growth. Just apply the deep conditioner all over. I'm starting on straight hair because I just got a trim. My hair didn't last a week straight, I'm not gonna lie. It's hot where I'm at, and if it lasted 5 days, that was a lot. But I had to refresh it twice a day. I was blow drying the roots to make sure that it stayed straight, and in the end I couldn't win. So good luck to you for getting blowouts in the summer. I'm just going through all of the tangled sections, but I'm not sectioning my hair. I'm just doing it as like a cheat way. Don't do it the way I did it. You could go thoroughly with a comb after. And for the shampoo, I purchased this in Cape Verde, so the currency difference is equal to US dollars. So if you can get that converted, that would be nice. It would be cheaper if you purchase it where I purchased it. The conditioner is Aussie Moist. If you know about it, you know about it. You can get this at CVS or any local drugstore. I love picking this up because they come in different flavors, different smells. I went ahead and did the rest of my sections, my hair growth oil, detangling method, and then I needed a leave-in conditioner and a styling cream. My hair just looks so gorgeous, feels healthy and amazing. I went ahead and left this out and let it air dry. This is my day 3 hair, and what I've noticed is that my curls are a bit loose, but I think that I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'm gonna wash my hair again and again, maybe a few more times before I make a decision, because it didn't bounce back the way it was supposed to. She just needs some time. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn that notification bell. And if you have any questions, any concerns, and you give this video a try, any of these combinations, comment down below how it went for you so we can know and drop some tips, okay? Y'all be safe.